Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I'm going to make my nails. You can see I don't have anything on yet. I'm going to put stickers on my nails and I'll show you how I put stickers on my nails. This is not sponsored, but I'll be using the gloss to put on my nails. This is all I need. This is the remaining pieces I have, so I'll require this. And then there's the file. This is a file, and then there's a clear polish. I have small pair of scissors and small pair of tweezers. First thing is to remember to wash your nails. They have to be clean nails. For the thumb, this is what will fit. Yep. So go with the tweezers. Next, you file. After you've put it very carefully, you see, after you've put it very carefully like this, next you're going to file. And that is how it will look like. So you smoothen. After that is out, you smoothen the surface, and that is the first one. So this is good to go now. Now we have the two nails done, and now I have the two nails done. So I'll be back with all the 4 or 5 done. We are done, but I want to put one of the glittery ones. After you've put it, you file it. now have the nails as we wanted. Next thing will be to apply clear polish. That is how it turned out. You can't tell it is stick-on nails. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. Until the next one, bye.